Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure you have your Apple ID and password, plus access to a trusted device for two-factor authentication. Open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac, then tap or click your name to start. Once done, choose Sign into your iPhone or Sign in with your Apple ID on Mac OS. This links your device account to Icloud. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and your device is updated so services sync cleanly. After signing in, you'll see iCloud options. Toggle iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, Calendars, and others based on what you want backed up. Tap Manage Storage or iCloud Storage to view usage and upgrade if you're near capacity, because syncing large photo libraries requires space. Once toggled, the device begins uploading. Be patient as initial sync can take time. Make sure backups are on for iPhone so your settings and app data are preserved, and check that background app refresh is allowed. Complete setup by confirming your data appears on iCloud. Com or another device signed into the same Apple ID, this proves syncing is working. If something doesn't show up, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, then restart the device to refresh connections. If problems persist, make sure two-factor codes are accepted and consider resetting network settings as a last resort. This clears Wi-Fi but often resolves stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.